Hi guys, welcome to Eat Eastern channel, and today I'm preparing 5 unique bowls, part of our healthy eating, clean eating, balanced diet exercise. So we have here 5 different bowls with only 5 ingredients. Let's get started on preparing them. So let's get lean with these bowls. I have here bowl number 1 with some lettuce at the bottom as a base. I'm adding some red peppers chopped and chickpeas. Now you can use canned chickpeas, or I usually boil chickpeas in pressure cooker with some curry powder for some flavor. So you can have curried chickpeas as well. Add them in your bowl along with lettuce and red peppers. Finish it off with some broccoli blanched. You can also use raw if you prefer, and some tomatoes. Now if you want, you can drizzle it with some olive oil or oil of your choice. Otherwise, your bowl is ready. Go ahead and dig in and feel the difference clean diet makes in your life. Bowl 2, continuing with our clean eating exercise, we have here quinoa. Quinoa cooks just like rice. So I have here quinoa. I'm adding in roasted sweet potatoes. I just baked them. I have some green peas boiled and red peppers, vitamin C. And we will finish it off with some green onions. So really simple bowl, but full of nutrition. Now if you want, you can drizzle some lemon juice on top, but that's optional. Coming to our Powerhouse Bowl, chickpeas are full of fiber, nutrition, protein. Use them in your bowl along with lettuce and some asparagus, red pepper. And for a little bit more chunky texture, you can use roasted sweet potatoes. That's our bowl number 2. Continuing on, friends, let's create another bowl, our bowl number 3. Especially if you like rice, you can use some turmeric infused rice. These are whole brown green rice. I have boiled them with some turmeric for the beautiful yellow color. Rice go really well with chickpeas, so I'm using some chickpeas, adding in some green peas and some roasted red peppers, lettuce, and that's it. Your bowl is ready. 3, 4, 5 ingredients. Lemon juice, again optional, you may or may not need it. All right, let's keep it really easy, guys. Our final bowl. Some rice. I'm adding lettuce. Let's also add some green peas. So rice, lettuce, green peas, red peppers, and last but not least, broccoli. Just blanch it and add it in. Dig in, or add a little bit of a lemon juice if you want to flavor it. I hope you like these bowl ideas. If you find them not hot enough, you can use hot sauce, chili sauce, sweet and chili sauce as a drizzle on top. Otherwise, give these bowls a try for next 5 days and notice the difference in your life. Use wholesome ingredients, really simple, clean eating, perfect lunch ideas. I hope you'll give a big thumbs up to this video, and I will see you soon. So keep watching Eat East Indian.